How to change Facebook profile to digital creator. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can change Facebook profile to digital creator. The first thing you want to do is open the Facebook app. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the profile icon. This will give you access to your profile. Now you want to select the option of three dots. Here you will find different options. Scroll down and find the one that says turn on professional mode. Here you will see an explanation of what professional mode means. Go ahead and tap on turn on option. Now continue by tapping next through the welcome screens. Here you can choose default audience and then confirm. Follow the on-screen prompts. Once professional mode has been turned on, you want to head over to the professional dashboard. Here you want to tap on menu, then select your profile icon. Then you want to change your category. Scroll down to details and select profile. Tap edit, tap on the pencil icon and type digital creator. Select digital creator and make sure the check mark appears. Now tap on the save option to save your change. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.